We are learning about data frame in pandas. Now data frame have the properties. First, it is a two-dimensional structure. It has rows and columns. Second, its values and size are mutable. In series we have studied that values were mutable but size was immutable. Now it can store heterogeneous data. That means data of different type like numeric, string, etc., boolean, etc. But in the series we have seen that it generally store homogeneous data of same type. Now what are the three arguments which the data frame can contain in its statement? Are first the data, it could be list, nested list, dictionary, etc. Then there is a row index designated with index equals to, and then column index designated with columns equals to. Now here we'll create an empty data frame importing pandas as pd. Right now df equals to pd dot data frame. In data frame we write d and f capital, please note, and we put the parenthesis or brackets. Now when we print df we get empty data frame, column series bracket, index colon series bracket. Right now if we would have put a empty list, empty dictionary inside the parenthesis, it will still give us a empty data frame as a result. This question is sometime asked in the exam to create a empty data frame or in multiple choice questions, so please note. Now let's create a data frame from nested list. If I would have just put a list, it would make a column of a data frame. Here I am taking a nested list. That means there is a list which has three other lists in it. And as there are three lists, these three lists will now become the rows, not the column, because this is a nested list. So I have a list in which I have three lists. First has values 1 to 3, second list 4, 5, 6, and third 7, 8, 9. Now this is our data. Now index equals to, that means the row index I am defining in a list, that is row 1, row 2, row 3. Then column index I am defining using columns equals to col 1, col 2, col 3. Now I'll close the brackets, and now when I print the df we get 3 rows and 3 columns. Each list of a bigger list, as there were 3 lists in a nested list, right, become the row. Okay, now 1 2 3 the first list, then 4 5 6 the second list, and 7 8 9 the third list became 3 rows with 3 columns. I hope. Please follow us on Instagram as well as for notes and PPTs and the video notification. Please follow us on the Telegram. The link is in the description.